This video is for helping you insert a picture that you make in the program AutoDraw. So in here, it shows that you can draw a picture of yourself and put it in here because the cameras don't work on these computers. So we would just have to draw a selfie to put in here. Now to do that, you have to go to another website, AutoDraw.com. So I'm going to go back to this tab here at the top, all about me. So you have to go back to the assignment to get to the link to autodraw.com, and I added that here. So if I click this, it's going to take me to that other website, and it opens another tab. This was something I was working on for another thing. So when you make something in here, so let's say you were working with it one time before, it's going to usually remember what it is that you were working on. So you can click the three lines here to open a menu and click Start Over. We need it to fit inside of that phone face, and this looks to be, that tall skinny rectangle looks to be about that same size that we need, so I'll click on that. Alright, so to use AutoDraw, just a real quick tutorial. This is sort of your magic pen. It's the AutoDraw pen, so if you're using this pen and you draw something, it can be just about anything. Up here at the top, it is going to guess what it thinks you were trying to draw, and you can click on whatever you think that was. If you were like, yes, I was trying to draw a fancy ball gown, you can click on that, and that's what it guesses. Now, if you draw some more, it's going to guess something else. So here's the deal. You keep drawing, you keep adding things to it, whatever that may be, and it's going to continue guessing until you pick something. So you have to pick something. If you want to move it around, this is your select tool, your move tool. In the same way we would adjust a picture size, you can adjust it by grabbing a corner or a side. You can stretch it, you can turn it. Ooh, that's fun. All sorts of great things. You can change your color by doing this as long as you have it selected. Here's your fill tool if you want to fill something with a color. Text, type words. This is just a regular pen, so you notice if you use the regular pen, it doesn't do any guessing up here at the top, but you are able to adjust the size if you want to make bigger lines or things of that nature. Here's your undo, and if you have something you don't like, you click select, click on what you don't want. You can press this delete button, or you can always press the delete or backspace button on your keyboard, and that can take care of that. So let's say you have what you wanted. What you can do is you're going to do something called right click. So with your mouse, there are always two buttons. Using your middle finger, which rests on the right side of your mouse, on that right button, you're going to click that. Go to copy image. We want to copy it so that we can paste it somewhere else. So here I'm going to go to this tab again. This is our assignment. I left it open. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. And what I really need to go to is this, my second grade All About Me assignment, since it's already opened. So I want to put it here. So with my mouse again, I can right click and click paste. And here's the image that I made. It is kind of small, but you can adjust the size like we would for anything else and make that fill your space possibly a little bit better. If you want to crop it, meaning cut edges off, you double click. It opens up these extra black lines, and you can cut the parts off you don't want as if you were taking scissors to it. I double click again, and then I can readjust my size. It sort of overlaps that edge there, and I don't really like that, so I double click. Good to go.